Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is designed for players seeking a combination of power, comfort, and ease of use. It features a lightweight frame, weighing just 8.9 ounces, strung, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players who need a racket that offers excellent maneuverability. Despite its light weight, the T.S6 provides exceptional power, thanks to its oversized 115 square inch head, which creates a larger sweet spot for more forgiving shots, even on off-center hits. One of the standout features of the T.S6 is its titanium technology, which is incorporated into the racket's frame. This material improves the racket's strength and stability, resulting in enhanced power and control. The added stability helps reduce vibration upon impact, providing a smoother and more comfortable playing experience, especially during long matches. The T.S6 also features a unique, head-heavy balance, which further enhances its power, making it easier for players to generate depth on their shots. This balance allows for solid, powerful ground strokes, while still offering enough control for precise placement. The racket is strung with head synthetic gut string, providing a good balance of durability and playability, making it well suited for recreational players and those looking for a reliable, easy-to-use racket. The grip is designed for comfort, providing a secure hold during play. In summary, the Head T.S6 tennis racket offers a powerful, comfortable, and forgiving option for players of all levels. Its lightweight construction, oversized head, and titanium technology provide enhanced performance, making it a great choice for those seeking power and ease of use without sacrificing control. Number 2. The Yonex Ezone 107th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for players who seek a balance of power, control, and comfort. Known for its versatility, the Ezone 100 offers excellent all-around performance for intermediate to advanced players. One of the key features of the Ezone 100 is its updated construction, which incorporates Yonex's signature isometric technology. This technology features a square-shaped head, which increases the sweet spot size and improves shot consistency, even on off-center hits. The racket's 100 square inch head size provides a perfect mix of power and control, allowing players to hit with depth and precision. The racket is equipped with Yonex's vibration dampening mesh (VDM) technology, which helps reduce unwanted vibrations upon impact. This creates a more comfortable feel during play, minimizing arm strain and providing a smoother response on every shot. This feature is especially beneficial for players looking for added comfort during long matches. With a 305G, 10.8 ounces, unstrung weight and a balanced swing weight, the Ezone 107th Gen is easy to maneuver, providing players with excellent racket speed and quick reactions. Its 16x19 string pattern delivers a good mix of spin potential and control, giving players the ability to generate spin on their serves and ground strokes while maintaining precision. The racket's aerodynamic frame design further enhances its performance by improving swing speed and reducing air resistance. This allows for faster racket head movement, enabling players to hit with more pace and power. In summary, the Yonex Ezone 107th Gen tennis racket combines power, control, and comfort with its isometric head shape, VDM technology, and aerodynamic frame. It's a versatile racket ideal for players seeking consistent performance and enhanced feel during play. Number 3. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is a top choice for advanced players seeking a blend of control, precision, and feel. Known for its exceptional performance, this racket features a 98 square inch head size that provides a slightly smaller sweet spot, catering to players who prioritize accuracy over power. Its 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential while still offering a crisp, controlled response, making it ideal for players who generate their own power through technique. The Blade 98 V9 is designed with Wilson's new 45 technology, which combines advanced materials and design to provide enhanced stability and flexibility, improving both control and comfort. The racket's construction helps reduce unwanted vibrations on impact, resulting in a more comfortable feel, particularly during intense rallies. The incorporation of this technology allows for greater precision and responsiveness, making the Blade 98 ideal for players who demand top-tier performance. Weighing around 305 g, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 strikes a good balance between maneuverability and stability, making it suitable for aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. Its slightly headlight balance further improves control and handling, particularly on volleys and quick exchanges. The racket is available in grip sizes 1 to 4, ensuring a custom fit for players with different hand sizes. The Blade 98's sleek and modern design complements its high-performance features, with a matte black finish that reflects its premium quality. This racket excels in offering a controlled and responsive feel, making it ideal for advanced players who value precision and spin in their game. In summary, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance racket designed for players who require precision, control, and comfort. Its advanced technology, coupled with a solid frame, makes it perfect for players looking to elevate their game. Number 4. The Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is designed for players seeking a versatile, high-performance option that balances power, control, and comfort. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, the racket offers a solid feel with excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced players who prefer a responsive and easy-to-handle frame. Featuring a 100 square inch head, the Blackout 300 provides a generous sweet spot, allowing for more forgiving shots and consistent ball contact, even on off-center hits. Its 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, enabling players to generate heavy topspin and slice on their ground strokes, while maintaining a controlled response for more accurate shot placement. The combination of these features makes the Blackout 300 well-suited for aggressive baseline play and all-court performance. The racket's frame construction incorporates Sonya's signature technology, which helps improve stability and feel at impact, while reducing unwanted vibrations. This results in a comfortable playing experience, reducing arm strain and improving overall control. The balanced weight distribution provides both stability on off-center shots and speed for quick reactions at the net. Designed for players looking to develop their game further, the Sonya Blackout 300 combines power and control, enabling players to take charge of rallies with both aggressive and tactical shots. Its responsive frame allows for quick adjustments, making it a versatile choice for different playing styles and court positions. In summary, the Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket offers a balanced mix of power, spin, and control, making it an excellent choice for players looking for a reliable, high-performance racket. Its combination of technologies and responsive feel enhances both comfort and playability, helping players elevate their game on the court. Number 5. The Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 unstrung performance tennis racket is a high-performance option designed for advanced players who demand precision, control, and feel. Known for its classic design and exceptional responsiveness, this racket features a 97 square inch head size, which offers a slightly smaller sweet spot for players who rely on technique to generate power. The racket's 16x19 string pattern provides a good balance of spin potential and control, making it ideal for players who value precision in shot placement over raw power. One of the standout features of the ProStaff 97 V14 is its construction, which incorporates Wilson's innovative FeelFlex technology. This technology enhances the racket's flexibility and stability, resulting in a more responsive feel and improved control on every shot. The flexible frame reduces unwanted vibrations on impact, offering a comfortable playing experience and helping to minimize arm strain during longer matches. Weighing around 315 grams, unstrung, the ProStaff 97 V14 offers a solid, stable feel without being too heavy, allowing for quick reactions and precise shot making. Its headlight balance gives players increased control and maneuverability, particularly for volleys and net play. The racket is well suited for players who rely on a combination of ground strokes, net play, and tactical shot making. The classic black and white design of the ProStaff 97 V14 not only looks sleek but also reflects the racket's premium quality. Its solid frame and responsive feel make it a top choice for serious players looking to elevate their performance on the court. In summary, the Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 is a precision-focused racket with advanced technology designed for players seeking control, stability, and feel. Its FeelFlex technology and responsive frame make it perfect for players who prioritize shot placement and consistency.